Hey y'all, so today I'm here because I wanted to do something a little different. Want to kind of do a little style. I detangled my hair beforehand, so you guys did not have to see me struggle through that. But I was thinking about braiding my hair into a ring, and then using my Kinky Goddess extensions and just creating a totally different fro. So that's what I'm trying to do today. Here's me, my real hair. It's detangled. It's growing pretty well. I do feel like I'm kind of hitting a plateau, and that's really just because I need to restructure what I'm doing. I haven't been really taking care of my hair like I should. Actually haven't deep conditioned in a while. That is a big no-no, especially because I recently got my hair colored. So I've been breaking the hair rules. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to first, let me grab the extension. My extensions have been kind of just chilling and I haven't really touched them. But here they are. They're more of like a, I would say like a 4B, 4C kinky curly texture. And my plan is to kind of just piece them all in. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to part my hair, right? Because we're gonna braid it. And you know, honestly, this is all gonna be underneath. So I truly don't care about my parts. Some people are more, what's the word I'm looking for? They're more precise. But I personally don't care that much. This is actually the way I'm doing. The reason why I'm doing it this way is because I want it to look, I want it to be a certain way for when I start plugging in the hair. See, my hair's still kind of nappy. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this up at the top of my hair because this is the part that I'm not braiding yet. Okay, so I'm gonna start braiding. Okay, if we want to get in the camera so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. As I've said before, my parts is not gonna be cute, y'all, so please do not expect that. It's all getting covered up, so I don't care. So intense. Okay, so that's my first little ring. Like I said, I'm not trying to make it look cute. It's about to be under this weave. And that's the other thing with this hair being so thick and whatnot, it's really not gonna matter how big or small the braids is. I'm sorry that I left out this little piece of hair in the back, but that used to be my undercut, y'all. Like the lowest of the undercut. So I'm just gonna keep braiding this, and I'm gonna braid it off camera, I think. So that way I can show y'all the placing of the weave. And y'all don't gotta sit here and watch me do this. I'll show y'all what the braid ordeal looks like in the end. It's probably gonna look tacky. But like I said, this is just a quick and easy way for me to do a protective style. So I'll be back. All right, so I'm back, and this is the final product here. What I think I'm gonna do, honestly, is I'm just gonna pin this in or tuck it. A couple of hairpins that I'm gonna use to just pin it down. And for these to be some thick braids, like I would say I got it not pretty flat for these to be thick ones. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these pins in here. And then so you guys can kind of get an idea, it's very, very informal, okay? I left some hair out, but that just goes to show that it's not gonna always be perfect unless you want it to be like that. I definitely could have took the time out to maybe like blow dry my hair out really good and all of that, but I ain't got time for that. Or I do got time, but I don't want to do that. So just to be real. So here it is. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put in these pieces of hair, right? So they're all clip pieces. And that's what I'm gonna do next, is I'm just gonna put them all in here, and then we're gonna fluff it, we're gonna style it, and make it look really good. Actually, I got inspired by a video that I seen in the discovery portion of Instagram. I'm not sure who the person was, but I remember seeing her do something similar with clip-ons, and I was like, that's low-key a really good idea. So I have that first piece in, right? And as we build it, you won't even be able to tell that I have any braids going on. And because of how this was used in my hair when I did it for the photo shoot, I have a lot of mini pieces. So you just want to plug them where you can. Like I said, this isn't meant to be just something that's like super precise and everything, because it's gonna be a full fro, so nobody's gonna know what you have going on underneath here. Okay. Okay, so we got it all in here. The point of this is for it to really mimic someone's natural hair. So that means that we need to doctor it up, make it look good. I think what I'm going to use today is my Moisture Boost Spritzer. This is by Natural Grow. It's a black-owned business. It's a really good refresher. So I'm going to try to use it for these and see if it does anything for us to kind of loosen up. Because we're going to have to really work this out. I'm going to use the Lotta Body mousse. I actually didn't really use this mousse for anything but weaves, because I don't really use mousse on my actual hair. And to me, it just helps really be able to pull it apart and set it. And we might even trim it a little bit to make sure it looks put together. This side is kind of hurting. By the way, your girl is all natural right now. Look at that face, look at that skin. We're making progress. It's gonna look like something soon. We get in there. We get in there. We get in there. We get in there. Hey. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do a little bit more workage, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all with my final look. All right, so I'm back and I'm feeling this look. Ain't it cute? Okay. Yes, I'm here for it, y'all. I'm here for this. I just found my protective style. Like, don't gotta wear my fro out. Like, yes. And you can't even tell. I did that little ring braid and didn't even have to do it on me and spend all that time. Like, no, I need something quick. And I did this in maybe 30, maybe 40 minutes or so. But you could get ready in an hour is the point that I'm saying here. Okay, it looks great. So yes, if y'all are looking for some bomb clip-ins, right? Natural hair clip-ins, check out the Kinky Goddess. I'm going to tag them below in the caption, as well as I will put their site on the YouTube video for this. But if this is for Instagram, for sure, I'm just going to put it in the caption, their name, so you can go ahead and get to them. And yes, like, come on, come through. I just feel good. I feel beautiful. I feel all of that, like, and I still have the natural look, and it didn't take that long. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you like this. If you want to see more videos, let me know. Okay, all right. And as always, peace, love, and natural hair, or natural clip-ins. We gonna make it work. Okay, that I have, oops.